It's so heavy. How can we open it? We open. Open. Surprise! Hey! So cool! Let's open them, Cuquin. Choose one. No, all of them. Not all, Cuquin. Just one by one. Number 2, the pink egg. Pink egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A cockroach.
La cucaracha, all she wanted was to run. She doesn't notice our village music. Now she won't have any dance. La
Right! Mama! Number 1. The green egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A spider.
Itsy bitsy spider, he never had to talk. All he had to do was pin his web out. He worked, and when the time was right, the itsy bitsy spider, he cries. The itsy bitsy spider, the sun is on his side.
Yay! Mama! Number 3. The orange egg. Oh! Open, open, open. Surprise! An ant. Yay!
The ants go marching in 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching in 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching in 5 by 5, and finally Cuquin is diving so high underwater. It splashes a lot, very much all around.
Panda Bag, songs, episodes, music. Cleo and Cuquin's app has lots of fun.
Oh! Huh? Ghost? Huh? Huh? Yeah! Huh? Not triangle, circle. Ha! Ooh. Hmm? Oh. Oh. Yeah. Giant red rabbit. Bye-bye, Red Rabbit. More. Yellow triangle. Huh? Not a triangle? Oh. Triangle, yeah! Whoa! Yay! Giant yellow rabbit! Hey! Bye-bye, yellow rabbit! More! Blue square. No. Hey! Oh! Huh? Giant blue rabbit! Boo! Bye-bye, blue rabbit! More! Huh? Orange pentagon! Whoa! Giant orange rabbit! Oh! Hey! Ha! Bye-bye, orange rabbit. Red rabbit. Yellow rabbit. Blue rabbit. Orange rabbit. Yeah!